Center of Subic Bay Freeport Zone, okay? Rolling around, just checking everyone out, all smiles. Maniningil tayo na magkano. 20 pesos, pag may nakita tayo ng kasimangon. Awa na ng kasimangon. Kagalitin the whole year. If you do believe in the saying that whatever it is that you're going to be doing, by the time it hits 12 midnight, and you're going to be doing it for the rest of the year, then it's all on you. I say, put on that huge smile, let it stretch up all the way up to your very ears, and live 2025 to 2026 doing some of the things as beautiful as it can be. Always the perception of game. Remember, how you look at things is exactly how things are. If you're going to be negative, overly pessimistic, then it's all on you. Come on, nothing wrong with being overly optimistic, right? So, put on all the pluses. Right, okay, so we're squeezing our time. And we'll be playing for the first song. Isang ligong pag-ibig. So ladies and gents, before we let the band play, we have to keep up the thing, right? Yep. All the good roll call. Who we have here? Pwede po marinig? Isama sigaw mong malakpakan at sigawan naman if you're from Metro Manila! Metro Manila! How about from Pampanga? Mas marami mga Pampangin yun. Bataan! Siyempre, kami tayo ng Subic Bay Freeport Zone along the Pacific! What about these coming from outside the country? We have people here coming from the United States of America! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Grain Terminal Services Incorporated. The Lion Global. Bombay Marina de Villas. And of course all the working crew that runs the Subic Bay Microphone every single year, spearheaded by the SBA Tourism Department. And all the other departments, beginning with our law enforcement department. We got our maintenance and transportation department, the public health and safety department, fire department, telecommunications department, music production department, of course, upon which our radio station 89.5, Fortune Webeck Windows 5 is under. And this is DJ of Fortune Webeck Windows 5, broadcasting live from the very heart of Subic Bay Freeport to the rest of the world. A beautiful evening. I told you that the drizzle that happened. I kind of like what I just heard. The ice cream is now free for all. But don't ice cream, do the walking from wherever that ice cream station is to your very own place. You have to put yourself right in front of that. That is the actual location, right? That is the actual location right over there where I'm pointing at. Punta na po kayo doon. Get your free ice cream! Ice cream for ice cream! We're gonna give you 3 days and 2 nights to get that free ice cream. Not enough? Okay, 4 days and 3 nights. Hi, what is your name? What again is your name? And you are from? You're from Manila? No. You're from? Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 days. Beautiful video. Everyone, thank you again. Now we're getting our tired of saying over and over like we're going out. Hey, thank you for spending your New Year's Eve here at the Beach Boardwalk. The Boardwalk event.
It's called Pitaw, a collaboration with this routine. And with that, tuloy-tuloy na natin ang party na ito. A little throwback for all of you. Yung mga kumakanta dyan sa karaoke, alam na alam ito. Let's go!
SPMA! Once again, thank you and please, enjoy po ulit kayo. Sorry, na-istorbo ko yung kasayahan ninyo. Ulit, pagpatuloy nyo. Happy New Year again to everyone. Thank you po.
Thank you so very much, our SBMA Board of Directors, and of course, our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator, Engineer Eduardo Jose El Alinio. Now, they of course are the ones responsible for making all of this spectacle before you happen, together of course with the SBMA Tourism. Okay, so we got how many people? 13 more minutes to go. Now before anything else, pwede po bang pakiusapan namin lahat na nandun sa may fireworks area natin to clear the area where I'm pointing at. That is the location from where all of our fireworks will emanate from. Paki-clear po yung area. We got our personnel from the law enforcement department and of course our fire department that will take care of you there. But please, stay away from that area. You can easily see it. Nandun yung mga fireworks natin. Diyan lang sa may shoreline dito. So everyone, pakitutok yung mga cellphones ninyo or video cameras, whatever it is that you have, if we're gonna do the fireworks countdown all the way to the explosions, okay? Alright, we got almost a dozen more minutes. It's time for us to call on our SBMA Chairman and Administrator on the stage, together with the SBMA Directors, Raul Marcelo, Sir Ted Del Rosario, Attorney Jota McTain, and our SBMA Chairman and Administrator, Engineer Eduardo Jose El Alinio. Sir, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, our 3 of our SBMA Directors, and to hear a message straight from our SBMA Chairman and Administrator. Before that, let's all give a huge round of applause!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po'y nandito hindi para kumanta, kundi batiin kayo ng isang masaganang bagong taon. At hihingi ko po sana ang inyong dasal na sana kaming mga namumuno dito po sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone ay mapaunlad namin ang itong binigay sa atin ng Panginoong may kapal na para itong lugar na to para ayusin. Kaya hingi po kami sa inyo ng dasal na tama ang gagawin namin dito. Na sana kung uunlad po kayo next year, ang SBFC, Subic Bay Free Zone, ay umunlad din po. So sa inyo po lahat, pamilya, kamag-anak, mga anak, ako, ay bumabati ulit po ako ng isang masaganang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Marami po salamat sa inyong tulong. At yung mga kasama ko po, nandito at babati na rin sa inyo.
Magandang gabi po. Happy New Year ho sa inyong lahat.
Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat dito.
Happy New Year. Enjoy your life.
Sir, message also.
Happy New Year!